Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my channel, and this is Jinx. So in my previous episode I showed you how to download MetaTrader 4 for your computer. So basically you go to mlq4.com and then you scroll down and install. I've already done it. Once you install the exe file, when you go and look for MetaTrader, you can find it like this. And once you open your MetaTrader, I'm still waiting. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, that's opened here. So once you open that, I try to link it to my current CMC account, but I downloaded this to practice coding for my Forex trading. Basically, the truth is I haven't done Forex trading, but when you go to File and you click on not chart, okay, you need to go to MetaEditor. So this is MetaTrader 4, and you go to MetaEditor by clicking this bookish, this yellow icon over here. So click on that. So this is where you do all your coding. And so go to File on the MetaEditor, and when you click on New, it shows you option to create expert advisors, indicators, script, library, new class. So script is when you write a script and it runs one time, and expert advisors are the script which you can run 24/7 on your Forex trading account, and the script keeps running, and you can customize and use it on your MetaTrader 4 to trade Forex. Basically, this is how they create their Forex robots. They are called expert advisors. So I'm doing the basic one now. Script, next, author, let me say Angeline, or let me use my pen name, Jinx me. Script 2, finish. So this will open up an account, so you don't do anything here. So this is where you do the thing, you give a command. I'm trying to print a document, which is the basic of the first thing that you learn in any form of what do you call, any form of, I created one here, over here. That's my first trial. So basically you write alert and open a small bracket and do this apostrophe. Normally we write hello world, but I'll write hello YouTube, and then I close it, and all the coding thing comes with a semicolon. Once I've done that, I'll go to my MetaEditor and click on run to see if it's working. Okay, it's giving me some stuff. Let me remove all these, and I'll make it small. Okay, and I'll click on MetaEditor run. Yeah, basically it's working. Let me close the previous one. That's your MetaEditor. So on MetaTrader, yeah, look, hello YouTube. So let's try that once again. So I'm gonna click run. So it created one more, so it is working. And that's my first lesson, and that's your first lesson. Thank you for trying MetaTrader with me. Thank you guys. Bye bye.